The African American civil rights movement emerged in the 1950s after many years of discrimination against the black population in America. The goals of the civil rights movement were to end racial segregation and discrimination against black Americans. It was a struggle for racial equality in America. The segregation of black and whites started in 1896 because the government made a legal doctrine called separate but equal, which permitted racial segregation while guaranteeing equal standards. Despite of this, the facilities of the black population were often in very poor condition. The National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the NAACP, was founded in 1909. The NAACP was a non-violent civil rights organization that fought for equal rights through lobby work and peaceful demonstrations. The NAACP's biggest achievement was in 1954 when the Supreme Court rejected the separate but equal doctrine.